Hey guys, this is Mitch again from sunny Florida. Another little project plane that I did, a micro scale. This is fashioned after a 1930s style racer. Call it the Gilmore Special. It's a little 3-channel. It has a elevator, rudder, and motor control, of course. Now I built this plane rather, from some parts that I got. Use the fuselage from the Beast, and the wing from, I think it's the Park Zone Champ. So there's my little Gilmore Special. It came out real nice. It flies real nice. It only weighs in at about 50 grams, 48 grams actually. Has about a 16-inch wingspan. A 3.7 lipo batteries used. And so here's my controls. And I'll fire up the throttle here. It has plenty of power. And of course, you have the cowling pops off. There's your battery compartment. So what I love about these little micro scale flyers, you can fly. I fly them from the front yard. Go out on the street, take off, fly around the neighborhood, land it, have a good time. They fly for a long time. You get about 7-minute flights, 8-minute flights on the batteries. So they're a lot of fun. I build a lot of bigger planes, which I have to cart out to the field. And so this is a nice break. I just go outside, spend some leisure time outside flying. I have a little flight video of this, a Gilmore Special. I hope you guys enjoy. Good flying, good building, and a great hobby.
Fun flyby. Haha. That was good. Good landing. Almost took a few inches off of me, but that was a good